Hi there. Welcome to the channel WebD. My name is Viswanath from the team WebD. Today we discuss about game development. It's very interesting topic, so don't skip this video. The game development process typically requires input from one or more game designers, artists, programmers, animators, testers, project managers, etc. Though some games have been created by just one or two game developers. And next, we are talking about what are the stages of game development. There are 7 key stages involved in game development. Number 1. Initial idea or concept. This is the very first part of the planning stage, and the roots that every video game will grow from. In the planning stage, the most basic questions will need to be answered, like, what type of video game are we producing? Will it be 2D or 3D? What are some of the key features it must have? Who are its characters? And the second one is the scope. You outline the budget, team size, schedule, etc. plus secure funding. The next stage of game development, called pre-production, brainstorms how to give life to the many ideas laid out in the planning phase. This is where writers, artists, designers, developers, engineers, project leads, and other crucial departments collaborate on the scope of the video game and where each piece of the puzzle fits. Number 4, production. Most of the time, effort and resources spent on developing video games are during the production stage. This also happens to be one of the most challenging stages of video game development. During this process, character models are designed, rendered, and iterated on to look exactly how they should be in the story. Number 5, testing. Every feature and mechanic in the game needs to be tested for quality control. A game that hasn't been thoroughly tested is a game that's not even ready for an alpha release. Number 6, release. The long-awaited stage. Getting to the point of launch and seeing your game hit the market is definitely a celebratory moment for everyone involved in the process. However, to reach this monumental milestone, the months prior are typically spent debugging the errors identified during the testing phase. And the last stage, post-production. In the post-production phase, it's now just a case of maintenance through fixing any bugs or other issues that may occur, all giving a more efficient and streamlined approach for the next gaming project. Next, we are discussing about types of games. Basically, games are 2 types. Number 1, 2D games. 2D games are flat, sprite-based experiences that only allow you to move up, down, left, and right across the screen. 2D games don't have to be complicated. They work as well as they do because 2D games lower the barrier for entry and are far easier to pick up and play than 3D games. Example, Super Mario. It is a popular 2D game. And the second one, 3D games. 3D games are played in a 3-dimensional environment, offering a more immersive and realistic experience. Developing 3D games is often more complex than creating 2D games due to the additional dimensions and graphical demands. Example, Minecraft. Minecraft is the world's most popular 3D game. And the main thing is game engine. What is a game engine? A game engine is like a special toolkit for making video games. It's a computer program that helps game developers create games more easily and quickly. A game engine provides pre-made parts, such as tools for drawing characters, moving them around, adding music, and making things happen when you press buttons. So, a game engine is a helpful tool that game creators use to put their ideas into action and make fun games for people to play. Here you can see the top 4 game engines. Top 1, Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is a fantastic tool that game makers use to create awesome games that people can play and enjoy. Unreal Engine is a powerful and widely used game engine developed by Epic Games. This technology is designed for creating interactive 3D content, including video games, architectural visualizations, and virtual reality experiences. Unreal Engine is known for its high-quality graphics. It has been used to develop many popular and successful video games. The famous game PUBG is created by using this game engine. And the second one, Unity. Unity is like a friendly helper for making video games. It is the first choice game engine for more than 45% of the world's game developers. It has been used to create numerous successful games like Free Fire, Temple Run, Pokemon Go. Unity's pricing structure includes a free tier for small developers, and the third one is Game Maker Studio. Game Maker Studio is like a game-making playground for people who want to create their own video games. It has been used to create a wide range of 2D games. The engine's pricing structure includes a free version with limited features. So, Game Maker Studio is a fun and simple tool for making your own games and sharing them with others. Fourth, one Godot. Godot is like a friendly game-making friend on your computer. It's a special program that helps you create your very own video games without needing to be a super expert. And the final thing is, what PC do you need for game development? To develop games on AIC, you'll need a system that can handle various aspects of game development, including coding, 2D, 3D graphics rendering, and testing. The specific requirements can vary depending on the complexity of your projects and the game engine you're using. But here are some general guidelines for AC suitable for game development. Processor, graphic card, RAM, memory. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe the channel for more content.